Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Pre-Bell with William Model India. My name is Rajshekar Kongari, Equity Research Analyst, part of Markets with India team. Before we go ahead into this podcast, the disclaimer is registration granted by SEBI, membership of BASL, and certification from NISL in no way guarantee performance of the intermediary or provide any assurance of returns to investors. Investments in securities market are subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing. Here is a Nifty's daily chart taken from our website. As you can see here, Nifty has been trading below its 200 DMA for a long time now, and it is currently trading very close towards its 50 DMA, and 200 DMA has also needs to be reclaimed by the index to find the momentum on the positive side. And recently, on this particular session, we changed the market status to confirmed uptrend because the Nifty was up more than 1.5% on volume higher than the previous session. Hence, it qualified as a follow-through session and changing the market status to confirmed uptrend. And from here, we need to track weakness in the market. We never know when the market is going to top out from here. And distribution days help us to track weakness in the market. And yesterday's session was a distribution day. As you can see here, Nifty's fall was more than 0.2% and the volume was higher than the previous session. Hence, we considered it as a distribution day. Going forward, if there is an accumulation of distribution days from here, we will be changing the market status to under pressure. Since the market is in confirmed uptrend, we'll be looking out for stocks which are looking good on both fundamentals and technicals to add them to the overall portfolio. Coming to the key news section, today RBI's governor will be coming out with the MPC outcome around 10 a.m. And this is the first outcome after budget announcement. So definitely it will be closely monitored by the investors, and there is an estimation or expectations that a rate cut might happen in this MPC outcome. Let's see how RBI reacts towards it and market's reaction towards the RBI outcome as well. And apart from that, earnings season is still continuing. And yesterday we looked at companies such as Aravindo Pharma coming up with the numbers, and it missed consensus estimates for the December quarter. Revenue was up more than 8.5% to 1,700 crores of rupees. Profit on the other side has down nearly 10% to 845 crores of rupees. EBITDA margin has seen a contraction to 20.4%. Britannia has also come up with the numbers for the December quarter, but the results have beaten the consensus estimate, which is a good sign. Profit has increased 4%, nearly 5% to 582 crores of rupees. Revenue on the other side has grown nearly 8% to 4,500 crores of rupees. But EBITDA margin has seen a contraction in the December quarter. ITC, leading FMCG player in the country, has come up with the numbers and revenue for the quarter has increased 8% to 17,000 crores of rupees. Profit on the other side was up only 1.2% to 5,600 crores of rupees. Again, EBITDA margins have seen a contraction. So majorly, we are looking, if we are thematically, the EBITDA margins have been declining across the sectors and companies. Hero MotoCorp numbers, if you look at the revenue increased 5% to 10,000 crores of rupees. Profit on the other side has increased to 200 crores of rupees from 1,000 crores of rupees last year. Margin has seen an expansion of 50 basis points to 14.5%. In the today's session, companies such as LIC, M&M, Mazagon Dock Shipbuilders, Oil India, Linde India, Fortis Healthcare, FSL, Sun TV, NHPC, and among other companies, around 195 companies will be reporting their numbers in the today's session. For the global market update, US market closed mixed. Dow Jones closing in the negative territory, but S&P and Nasdaq are closed in the positive territory. Asian markets, as we speak, are trading mixed again. Nikkei is trading with a decline of 0.4%. Kospi is trading around flat to positive bias. Nifty closed at 23,600 yesterday, and Gift Nifty is indicating a opening around 23,700 levels, which is very close to the 50 DMA. 50 DMA has to be reclaimed, and 200 DMA also be reclaimed by the index. Until then, we might see consolidation around these levels going forward. For the chart of the day, we picked Stride Pharma Science. Pointers, why we like it is, you can see here are highlighted. Price strength is good at 90. A/D rating is very good at 3. And RS line has been forming blue dots, which is a very good sign. The stock has a very good support at its 200 DMA during the base formation. 200 DMA has been tested, but it has found good support at its 200 DMA, which is a very positive sign. Currently, it is 5% to the pivot, a very good stock to consider. And we have also time to take positions because the stock has to rally another 5% from here. Number of funds section has also seen a very good improvement. Last 4 quarters, consistently, the company has been able to attract new funds, which is a very classic sign of a very fundamentally strong company. And coming to the again chart, the stock has a resistance around 750 and 760 levels. Those levels has to be reclaimed by the stock before taking fresh entry. Thank you for joining today's pre-bet. Have a good trading session.